What's going on, beautiful people? Operators in the building. Anybody that has joined the AI Educate AI Lab, you guys are operators. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. Monday, May 25th. Look, man, we hitting the ground running every single week with new projects, new tools, and specifically today, there's one tool that I want to go over that is very new, um, and that is the supercomputer from Higgsfield. Okay, so I'm finally making a video on this, and honestly, from what I've been seeing, it's pretty. It basically automates the use of Higgsfield. So if you don't want to go around and all of these places, go over to the images and go over to the marketing studio, you now have an agent that Higgsfield built that can do this completely by itself. So we're going to get into this. And also, they released the supercomputer orchestrator powered by Gemini, which they're saying 8 times cheaper, 3 times faster. Okay, so we love the sound of that. And shout out Higgsfield for releasing everything that they've been releasing. Honestly, like they have really taken the baton when it comes to the creative suite for AI. So let's get into supercomputer. From you as the user, you're going around doing everything to now we want you to chat with our platform. We want you to chat with our platform, and they're saying it's a self-learning AI agent built for creators who ship. All right, cool. Let's get into this. The objective for me, honestly, this stream is to utilize all of my credits to be able to, you know, get outputs. Let me check this out with you guys. Know I have a background in graphic design, so I am looking to actually use this for my workflow. So, um, the the four areas or the few areas that I want to test out in this stream are actually branding, video creation, image ideation, and um we may be able to do like kind of like a podcast or something like that. It depends how much credits this uses. So um we'll see. But right now I have 1,200. So if we go down here, 1,000. Oh, not 1,200, just 1,000. Okay. So I don't want to use this because this is the plan. I want the supercomputer to make the plan. Okay. So maybe it was because I had like ChatGPT open. I want you to help me create a 5-minute movie about an assassin in the 1600s that has to escape from imprisonment and finish a job. So yeah, I guess it was just because I had ChatGPT selected. I'm guessing. I don't know, bro. But this is the prompt that we're gonna use. We're not gonna give it any more context than that. I want you to plan out this entire movie with storyboards, the characters, and everything. Let me know your entire plan, and then I will let you know if everything's good for you to build this out end to end. Okay, so that is our prompt. Ask for generation. Let's use orchestrator. Let's viewing the skills, and basically, like a lot of companies are gonna do this with their platforms. I'm doing this with one platform that I'm building, which I don't even know how I'm gonna compete with these larger companies, but I'm just gonna still do it because it's an experimentation at the end of the day. So um more platforms are gonna develop these agents that can use their platform the best and is trained on their platform. So all you have to do is basically talk to the platform. And this is the evolution of SaaS. So this is gonna take 21 credits. A minimalist. I like them. So you guys can see a brand can be created by supercomputer, or at least a minimal brand. If you don't want to build out, I'm pretty sure you can build out an entire brand with this, but we just didn't do that. So since this video target, which core angle dominate by design? Let's do AI foundational architecture. All right. So this is going to take 783 credits. We don't even have that anymore. But we're gonna click yes anyway. Dang, bro. Should I buy some more credits? It doesn't look like we're gonna get to see this video. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think we're gonna get to see that video. And I didn't plan on buying more credits, if I'm being honest. I didn't, so we're not gonna do that. But we are gonna get a little bit of this video, you know what I'm saying, together. And we did create a brand, which I probably should have saved a few credits on that, but you know, it's okay. It is okay. We have 133 left. Yeah, so one of our videos didn't get to get generated. It's using CDance 2. If you have the credits for it, that was my only thing coming into this. I'm like, this can use up so many credits. I know for a fact that it can. Like, yeah, that didn't look too good, if I'm being honest. That did not look too good. Like the actual video looks good, but you know, there's a bunch of things let's do this. You don't see this? Like, it's used the triptych of the nun, and instead of using it as a reference, it's used it inside of the video. I like this scene though, but it doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't look like it. See, this is why Gemini Omni is a very powerful thing, because world knowledge is so vital when it comes to AI. Like, how did the cup get right there? I have no clue. He picks it up. He doesn't have chains on anymore. Like, that's just... It's a thumbs down. It's a thumbs down for me. We got this scene. He's just sitting, pondering. I like that. Like, this is cool. This is cool. And then the guy's going to talk to him. Okay. Like, I think maybe it didn't break it down enough. You know, it tried to have so many scene switches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 different camera switches. I do like this though, but it doesn't make sense. He gets caught, and then he just stops looking at him, looks at something else. But I mean, the concept is there. Like this. He's trying to... See, that doesn't make sense. No, that doesn't make sense. But like, these parts of the video, like, it really gets it right. Like, the candid type of, you know... Okay, so let's watch it through real quick. Bam. We got... First scene comes up. Blah, blah, blah. She drops the cup. He picks it up. Okay. Then he does something. I don't know. He just grew an extra arm, went through his arm or something. He fiddles with the lock. Okay. He's still there though, so that doesn't make sense. They walk away, then he escapes from the cell. I think I should have done a better job with not giving it such a long course of the story to go over, and instead just give it one part of the story. So I should have just make a video of him down in the dungeon talking to the warden, and you know, not necessarily... I think the nature of the promo video should have been different. It should have been something that's more simpler instead of all those transitions. And you know, AI will get to that point, but it's just not at that point right now. So honestly, when it comes to supercomputer, I think supercomputer is good. When it comes to the other models, sometimes they aren't as good and can mess it up, or the prompting may not be good enough, or things of that nature. But I can see this as okay, that's 367. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Let's cancel. Let's just stop this whole thing. It created a bunch of new frames. But you guys see that it created the characters, it created the scene. The scene is very cohesive. The characters are very cohesive. It's just like the nuance within the actual video with character elements and objects and stuff like that. It doesn't really do that well, but that's like C dance too, and it's a little bit of prompting. So um as far as the branding, I mean, light branding is good. I think when it comes to images, you can do pretty much anything, but that's it for the stream. Honestly, I just wanted to test out Supercomputer. Let me know what you guys think about it. It's not a tool that I'll be using, only because I don't pay $100 a month for I I'll say this. I will use Supercomputer, but it will not be with videos. It will be strictly with images, because then you can probably work on about 10 different projects with 1,000 credits. So I'll use it with images, but when it comes to like videos, I just don't have the plan for that, and I'm not gonna spend extra. I'm actually gonna start using Firefly a lot more. So that's it for the stream, guys. I appreciate y'all stopping by. And I hope y'all are experimenting with these new tools. There's been a ton of updates, which I'm thinking about doing like a news section during the stream. I want to make these longer, 2, 3, 4 hour streams. So let me know how you guys feel about it. But thank you guys so much for the support as well. Join the Educate AI Lab. It's going to be $1 per month after we get 2 more members. So yeah, man, on the way up. AI is here to stay. Keep learning with AI, and always remember, someone with an AI agent and a laptop can do much more than a team right now. Much more. Okay? So let's get it, man. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Have a great rest of y'all week if you don't see me tomorrow. Peace.